Hi everyone! In this video I'm showing you how to make this super easy but cute bracelet. This is Manori's channel. Welcome to another jewelry tutorial using simple crochet methods and techniques. And don't forget to like this video please. For this sample and the tutorial I'm using a fine yarn and a 1.5mm hook. The number of chains should be based on the wrist size. Using this yarn, something around 60 chains should be enough. After making the chains, we're skipping 5 chains, and in the 6th one, we're making 1 double crochet. We're making 1 chain, skipping 1 chain, and in the next one, 1 double crochet. 1 chain, skipping 1 chain, in the next one, 1 double crochet. 1 chain, skipping 1 chain, in the next one, 1 double crochet. And we'll keep going till the end. Now we're gonna crochet according to this pattern. Each red line consists of 4 double crochet. We're starting with 3 chains, turning the work around. Around this string, I'm making 3 double crochet. Considering the first 3 chains as 1 double crochet, overall we have 4 double crochet stitches. And now this part. Around this string, 4 double crochet. And around this string here, 4 double crochet. Again, 4 double crochet, and the result should look like this. Four double crochet, and we're gonna continue this process based on the pattern. And at the end, we're gonna have this beautiful bracelet, which it could also be used as a necklace or even an anklet. And for the bracelet closure, we could use a bead or a button like this. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and hit subscribe. Have a great day.